this video, I'll show you how to open and verify your Crypto.com account. If you don't already have one, use the link in the description to sign up for a free account, and you could even get a valuable prize as a bonus. First, download and open the Crypto.com mobile app on your phone. On the main screen, tap the button that says Create New Account. Enter your email address carefully, then tap Create Account. Now, a confirmation link will be sent to your email. Go ahead and open your email app. Look for the message from Crypto.com and click on the confirmation link inside. If you're on iPhone, make sure to press and hold the link and open it in Safari, because sometimes other browsers don't work correctly. Once you've confirmed, tap the button that says Launch Crypto.com app to go back into the app. Next, you'll be asked to enter your email again, agree to the terms and conditions, and then tap Create Account one more time. After that, enter your mobile number, tap Send Verification Code, and type in the code that was sent to your phone via SMS. Once your number is verified, congratulations! Your new Crypto.com account has been created. The next step is verification. Enter your full legal name exactly as it appears on your ID, then tap Continue. You'll need to have a valid government-issued ID ready. This could be a passport, driver's license, or another accepted document, depending on your country. Scan your ID clearly in the app, and then take a quick selfie so the system can confirm that it's really you and not someone else. Once you've completed all these steps, your account will go into review. Usually, verification takes less than 24 hours, but in some cases it can be a little longer if there are a lot of applications. You'll receive an email notification once your account has been officially verified. After that, you're all set to start using Crypto.com. You can buy, sell, trade, or even earn rewards on your crypto. And that's it. That's how you open and verify your Crypto.com account. Don't forget, if you haven't signed up yet, check the link in the description to create your free Crypto.com account today and possibly claim a valuable prize as well.